Chris here for today's update. I was able to get the Speedi sleeve. Actually, no, I wasn't. I got a Ready sleeve, which apparently is the same thing. It appeared to be exactly the same, and it installed exactly the same. So I think it's just two different brands, but it got that installed no problem. So hopefully, should I say this out loud? Probably not, but hopefully my transmission leak is gone now. I did check the vent hole on the top. I stuck a little screwdriver in there and it seemed to go in, I don't know, maybe half an inch before it hit metal. And so I wiggled it around at the risk of dropping whatever residue was in there into the transmission. But I think it's open, so I don't know. I've got, an update from yesterday. Here we go. The remember these from yesterday? Well, those little adapters that you put on the CVs in order to get the VSS to fire. The ones I ordered originally were for the 930 axles, which I don't have Porsche 930 axles. I got Porsche 944 axles, which are the same basically as the stock Vanagon axles, except I guess they're a little bit beefier. Plus I got them from FCP Euro, so there's a lifetime warranty. Anyhow, GoWesty did me a solid, and they're sending the correct ones out to me. I'm going to return these to them. No harm, no foul, so that's cool. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. GoWesty. Thumbs up. So I have that coming priority, so hopefully Monday-ish, maybe Tuesday, they should be coming in, and I can pop those on, and hopefully that will trigger my cruise control to work. So besides that, that's like the major thing holding me back. Well, let me take that back a little bit. And my friend Jay was laughing at me because of this, but I'm not quite sure what to pack for like three plus weeks of camping clothes wise. So gotta figure that out. If you've got any hints on what to pack, that would be great. I'm kind of watching the weather too. As we get closer, it'll be more of a game time decision. So anyhow, that's the longish 2 minutes and 40-second update so far. If you're doing van projects, you're a good person. If you're not, and also fight the power.